Good morning, students. Today is our first online class of biology, that is crop production and management. So, we'll discuss in this chapter the different types of crops and the agriculture practices that is required for the cultivation of crops. Let's begin with introduction. As we all know that we cannot survive without food. Food gives us energy. Any living organisms require food for their survival. Food is the basic necessity of living organisms. So, the green plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, while animals obtain their food directly or indirectly from plants. So now the question comes, what about humans? Where do humans get their food from, and how do they meet their daily requirements? Humans grow plants and rear animals to meet their daily requirements. So now you get it that plants can prepare their own food because they are autotrophs, but animals are directly or indirectly dependent on plants or other animals. But human beings, they are not self-sufficient to grow such amount of crops to feed themselves. So we need someone to grow crop for us. And who are those? They are the farmers. That's why we call them farmer friends. So we came to know that humans grow plants and rear animals to meet their daily requirements. But since the human population is increasing day by day, their food requirement is also increasing along with it. Therefore, it is necessary to increase the quantity of food produced to fulfill their increasing demand. The food requirement is achieved by farming more land, increasing the food production, and by managing the production and distribution of food. Thus, it is agriculture that makes possible to sustain a huge population at one time. So here in this chapter, we'll discuss the different topics that to be covered are basic terminology. Basic terminology means the different key words that we need to know in this chapter. Next, crops. What are crops? Why we that crops are the basic food that we are taking. So we will discuss about the crops. Next, we'll discuss about types of crops, different types of crops, and then agriculture practices. What kind of food we eat? We eat different kind of foods like we eat cereals, we eat pulses, vegetables, fruits, many oils, oil seeds are there, many things. So these all are crops. But actually, what does the crop mean? The crop mean a plants of same kind grown on a large scale for food, clothing, etc. are called crops. You can also understand this in other words like crop is a plant of the same kind that is grown on a large scale to get useful products and to meet nutritional needs in an area by man. So you got it? Crop is a plant of the same kind. Like not as different kinds of plants are grown on a same field. That will not be called as crop. Crop, a single crop like wheat is there. So wheat is grown on a large field. That is known as crop. Plants of same kind grown on a large scale for food, either for food or for clothing, is called crops. So there are two types of crops, kharif crops and rabi crops. Crops means to be grown on large scale. If we are growing plants at home on small scale of area, that will not be considered as crops. So crops are the plants that are of same kind and that are grown on a large scale of a field for that might be of food, that might be for clothing. For example, jute, cotton. These are the crops that is used for clothing. But wheat, rice, these are the crops that is used for fooding. Now here comes the word agriculture. It is a process of growing crops on a large scale. We came to know about the crops. What are crops? They are the same kind of plants grown on a large scale. So what does this process known as? This process is known as agriculture. Like a plant which is grown in a pot at home is not said to be agriculture, but a rice, crops of rice are grown on the field, then it will be called as crop. When we grow crops, it is called agriculture. But the process of growing fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants is called horticulture. Another name is given for the growing of fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants is horticulture. So the difference between agriculture and horticulture: agriculture, it is a process of growing crops on a large scale. Growing crops on a large scale. And horticulture, it is a process of growing fruits, vegetables and ornamental plants. Now types of crops. There are two different types of crops: Kharif crops, Rabi crops. So first of all, we'll discuss about Rabi crops. These crops are sown in winter. So these are also called as winter crops. So when did we have the winters in our country? We have winters in November and December. November, December and mid of the Feb. So these crops are sown in winter, that is between November and December. So that's why they are called winter crops. These crops are harvested in March or April. For example, wheat, pea, barley, gram. Now the second type is Kharif crops. These are the crops grown in rainy season during the month of June to October. They are also known as summer to monsoon crops. Seeds of these crops are sown in the beginning of the monsoon season. They are harvested by September or October. So these are planted generally in June and harvested in October. Some examples of Kharif crops are rice, maize, cotton, groundnuts, example. So Kharif crops, how can you differentiate both of them? Kharif crops require more water. As the plants, different types of plants require different amount of water. These plants require sufficient amount of enough water for their growth. So these crops are grown in after rainy season, that is in the month of June to October. And what are the examples? The examples of Kharif crops are rice, cotton, maize, groundnut. So I have told you about the two types of crops, that is, one is grown in rainy season and other is grown in winter season. So you must be thinking about the summer season, which type of crops are grown in summer season. So let me tell you all that there are some plants, there are some fruits like watermelon that is grown, that needs excessive heat for their growth. So such type of crops are grown in summer season. Those crops are called which are grown in summer season ZAD crops. These crops are grown in summer season and are also known as summer crops. So actually there are three types of crops, but for the study we only study two types of crop, that is Rabi crops and Kharif crops. We don't need to study about the ZAD crops, but for your information I am just telling you that summer crops are known as ZAD crops, and for example watermelon and cucumber. These crops require excessive heat to grow. Now we'll discuss about the basic practices of crop production. But before that, we'll discuss some agricultural implements. As you all know that for agriculture, some implements are required. So implements are those tools that help in agriculture and they are very necessary for agriculture. For example, plough, hoe, seed drill and cultivator. These are the implements. For example, if you are in the kitchen, if you are in somewhere workplace, if you are a doctor, you need some instruments to excavate that particular job, to excavate that particular thing. So here in farming we require some tools. Those tools are known as agriculture implements. So now basic proper practices of crop production. So basic practices of crop production are: number 1, preparation of soil; number 2, sowing of seeds; number 3, adding manure and fertilizers; 4th, irrigation; 5th, protecting from weeds; 6th, harvesting, and then storage. These are the different processes that a farmer practices when he cultivates a crop. So we'll read about it further.